Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to set timer to take break on YouTube. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the YouTube application. So here you can see a profile at the bottom right corner, so click on it. So after this here you can see gear options on the top right corner, so click on it and then click on journal. So after this here you can see remind me to take break, so click on it. So after this here you can select the hours. So after here you can see you can change the mint. So after selecting the time, click on OK. So you can see I selected 2 hour and 10 minutes. So after 2 hour and 10 minutes, YouTube remind me to take a break. So guys, in this way you can set timer to take a break on YouTube. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.